every person, every word, every meeting. The PolySync 60 USB Bluetooth smart speakerphone fills conference rooms with big sound and big ideas. Voices are the focus, not the noise, so no one misses a thing. For a corded computer setup, ensure that the speakerphone is connected to a power outlet. Connect the USB cable from your speakerphone to your computer's USB-A or USB-C port. For a smartphone setup, make sure your speakerphone is powered on and press the Bluetooth button for 2 seconds. You hear pairing and the LED flashes a crossing blue pattern. Activate Bluetooth on your mobile device and set it to search new devices. Select PolySync 60. Pairing is successful when you hear pairing successful and the LED flashes blue. Your speakerphone supports NFC pairing to your mobile device. Ensure NFC pairing is enabled on your mobile phone. Bring the mobile device within range of the speakerphone's NFC tag until pairing completes. When enabled, the Secure Connection feature provides extra security when the PolySync 60 is used in a shared room. Your paired device disconnects after each smartphone call, ensuring the device audio does not play through the speakerphone when not intended. To continue the mobile connection, press any button on the Sync 60 within 30 seconds after the call has ended. Your speakerphone can be used to charge up to 2 smartphones simultaneously. With the speakerphone powered on, connect your phone charge cable to one of the 2 USB-A charging ports. The USB port is only used to provide power to your smartphone. To answer an incoming call or end a call, press the call button on the speakerphone. To adjust the volume or mute the call, use the buttons on the front of the device. The LED light bars allow you to see your call status from a distance. Crossing blue pattern means the device is in Bluetooth pairing mode. Solid blue means Bluetooth pairing is successful. Flashing green indicates an incoming call. Solid green indicates you are on a call. Solid red indicates the call is muted. The LEDs do not illuminate in standby mode. For larger meeting spaces, 2 PolySync 60 units can be wirelessly linked together. To begin, make sure both speakerphones are powered on. Pair one speakerphone to your smartphone or connect to your computer. Wirelessly link speakerphones by pressing both link buttons for 2 seconds. You hear connecting and the LED pulses white. Linking is successful when you hear connection successful and the LED flashes white on both speakerphones. To end daisy chaining mode, press both link buttons for 2 seconds. You hear device disconnected. You are now ready to enjoy your PolySync 60 speakerphone.